So we're gonna try to make a penny sandwich. Pancake sandwich. Put it in here, and then put another piece of metal on top. So there's a little bit of a gap, and our goal is to make it so there is no gap. Pretty simple goal. Does it look like it's spreading out?
I can't see it anymore. It's just gone.
Okay. Got to 40 tons, and there's no penny left. Oh, wow, it's flat. I can't believe that happened. We can make a proper sandwich. So we can take the quarter from before. We'll put the squished penny on it. Look, it fits perfectly.
It's like a hamburger.
Yeah, and then we'll put a nickel. Okay. We'll put that there. Okay.
Let's see what happens.
What's gonna happen? This is some of the most cutting edge science we've ever done.
This is what the people want.
I don't know if that's true.
Goodbye.
Oh. It looks like it's withholding it now. Whatever, I think it's good enough. Wow.
You did it!
Well, that nickel got super flat. What? It just imprinted the queen into the penny. Some sort of weird counterfeit money now. Oh, and this got squished as well.
It's like shillings that you give.
Yeah, it's like a mockery of what our money is normally. It just feels all fake.